'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the van, not an appliance was squeaking, not even the max fan. The inverter lights twinkled, the Webasto heater purred, and I prayed my Laveo toilet would not be disturbed. My wet socks were laid on the dashboard with care, in hopes that better weather soon would be there. The dog in her blanket, my cat in my lap, had just settled in for a brief Walmart nap. When out in the parking lot there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew in a jig, unzipped the blackout curtain to check on my rig, when what to my wondering eyes should appear but a vintage Westphalia and 8 tiny reindeer. With a driver so jolly, so quirky and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. More rapid than tailwinds, his wild entourage came, and he whistled and shouted and he called them by name. Now Sprinter, now Transit, now Westy and Winnie, on ProMaster, on Metris, and Eurovan Twinny. When out on the roof came a thud and a squeak, I peeked through the skylight, daring a peek. There stood Santa Claus with a bag full of stuff, muttering, "Dude, this van's looking pretty empty and rough." A bundle of gadgets was flung on his back, from ACs to swivels, even handy flapjacks. He handed out goodies for my tiny abode. Said, "Here's a new awning and some Victrons to load." He filled up my fridge, and batteries he stacked, and tossed in some Fincelet for coziness maxed. Then tipping his beanie, he sprung to his van, said, "Visit Vanlife Outfitters, they're the best in the land." Then I also heard him shout as he drove out of sight, "Happy van life to all, and to all a good night."